Look at these two sentences. I am the most experienced investor in stock market. I have that advantage. We join these two sentences as follows. I have the advantage of being the most experienced investor in stock market. How to do that? I am the most experienced investor in stock market. I have the advantage. We remove the subject I from the first sentence. We convert the verb am into being in the first sentence. We put the preposition of after the word advantage in the second sentence. These are the three changes which we make in case of these two sentences. And now the combination of these two sentences is I have the advantage of being the most experienced investor in stock market. Now what is the meaning of this sentence? Advantage meaning a comfortable, favorable, beneficial situation from which we get some success or opportunity or profit or benefit. So here I have lot of experience in investing in stock market and I can make use of this experience and therefore I call it an advantage to me. So this is the meaning of this sentence. How to form the sentence? Begin the sentence with I followed by have. Then we put the words the advantage of and then we add being plus other words. So this model can be used in many other ways, but I always deal with one model in each video. So in this video we are dealing only with I have the advantage of, but we can use it in many other ways. In the coming videos we will explore the other options. Now let us see the examples. I am good at Hindi and Urdu. I have that advantage. Now when we combine these two sentences, it is like this. I have the advantage of being good at Hindi and Urdu. Second example. I am the eldest son in the family. I have that advantage. Here, when we join these two sentences, I have the advantage of being the eldest son in the family. Third example. I am the only lady contestant. I have that advantage. So as I have told you just now, from the first sentence we remove the subject I, then we convert the verb am into being, and in the second sentence after the word advantage we put the preposition of. Now when we join these two sentences, the answer is like this. I have the advantage of being the only lady contestant. Fourth example. I am from a political family. I have the advantage of it. The combination of these two sentences, I have the advantage of being from political family. Fifth example. I am tall, fair and handsome to enter the film industry. I have the advantage. The combination of these two sentences, I have the advantage of being tall, fair and handsome to enter the film industry. Sixth example. I have the advantage of being popular in films and television industries. I have the advantage of being the son of a powerful politician. I have the advantage of being from an affluent family. I have the advantage of being influential in many parts of the world. I have the advantage of being slim. I have the advantage of being a part of the armed forces. I have the advantage of being in home ministry. I have the advantage of being the priest. I have the advantage of being the senior-most officer in this department. I have the advantage of being with my parents and siblings. I have the advantage of being with my children and grandchildren. I have the advantage of being in the capital city. I have the advantage of being physically and mentally strong. I have the advantage of being successful in stock market. I have the advantage of being the only girl child in the family. Fine. So this is the way of joining the two sentences and making it one sentence by using advantage of being. So keep reading the print media and keep listening to electronic media, collect more such examples and try to make your own sentences. Thank you.